Hey guys, we're at Marinetti Motors out here in Woodbridge. This is like one of my favorite dealerships right now. The collection of cars they have here is pretty cool. You guys can see all kinds of different stuff here, ranging from, I'm gonna say, we're gonna start with this R8 right here, ranging from like 120, 110, and up, probably a little higher, just judging, maybe in that S-Class over there. We got a lot of sick cars. You got Alex. We got an Indulgent over here. We're doing a new little hustle. This is pretty much, you know, Cars Without Limits. We got one more person, Endless, but he's not here today. But anyways, we're gonna start off with this 675 LT Carbon Edition, 125. Oof, the Spider is beautiful. This is one of the cars that we may have seen on our channel probably like 2 to 3 years ago at the auto show. This is very nice, guys. I love it. Like, this dealership has some crazy, this is like the craziest stock of cars you're gonna see here. You have a black Carrera GT, just chilling. Oh man, these are our favorite cars over here. And then we got a red one, which is super rare. A lot of people have went crazy on the day of this car got to the dealership because a lot of people saw it and it's like, what the hell is a red Carrera GT doing on the road? And I think it was October or November, so this is like wicked to see. And to see two of them one time, like, yes. And then we got this classic, beautiful, and super pristine 993 Turbo S. This one is looking amazing so far, guys. Gosh, super clean. These cars are like, honestly, I feel like these are one of the better of the Porsche cars. Very desirable. They have all the cool features that you can want in a Porsche. Oh my god, it's so cool. Like, I'm just a big Porsche fan, guys. So, as you guys know, the car that I would definitely get is this one right here because I think it's the more affordable in my price range. It's a really nice GT3 RS 991. Of course, it's just so simple. Love it so much. And then you got the 63 right here. You know, nothing too crazy about that car. We got some fine ladies in the corner over there too. But guys, look at the G-Wagons together. Jeez. They look very similar on this side. Like, you know, you don't see too many differences. It's a little more smoother on this side than compare. Sorry, more smoother on this side compared to this side. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably still take this one because it's not as desirable. I feel like these ones are going really crazy. Did you know it's 100K over the suggested retail price? These are going off right now. It's insane. So we got this. We got this Wraith right here. Very nice with like the tan interior. Very nice. Love that. I would definitely get something like this if I could. I remember when we had one of those for like the long weekend, Rolls-Royce. It was one of the coolest things ever. I missed those days. With the car, at that time, the car was worth way more money than my house, which was like, the car was like 4 something, my house was like 3 something, and the market blew up, and my house was like a hell of a lot more money, and that car's 2 something or 3 something. But, yeah, what's up, buddy?
I heard you say tan interior.
Yeah.
Which car with the tan interior would you get?
Ooh, this one?
This one? Or the 88 GTB?
I don't know.
That has red stitching on the carpet.
It is, the 458 is very nice. The 488 is very nice.
This one has white stitching.
And this one, honestly, I would definitely go for speed because,
Fun, right?
yeah, it feels more better. How about yourself, Alex? Which one? What are the two?
Yeah, because we were saying these two.
Yeah, probably about the same price range as well. So, yeah, more comfy to carry your camera equipment in.
Very cool. I love the fact that.
Yeah, it's okay. You get this one, I get this one, and Indulgent will try the other vehicle we don't have.
Yeah.
Guys, we have the Porsches. I want to say they're failed-ish kind of project, but it's a cool, nice car overall. The 911R. This car was supposed to be a super rare the last manual Porsche, and people were literally buying these cars. I think they're like 2 something and selling them upwards to 600. And there's some people, depending on the specs, some for $1 million. And there's a few people that got really fucked with that deal because some people actually did spend the money. And then weeks later, Porsche released a few cars that end up coming, which would have been the GT3 Grand Touring and everybody whose value that went up went super down. So it really sucked. They're still a valuable car. I think this one is like 4 or 5 something they're selling right now, but still a great car for what it is. It will definitely be a car that jumps in value going on in the future. Great looking car as it is, like this, that red stripe with no spoiler. Like, you guys know me, it's just a very nice car. The whole presentation of it, and we're hoping one day, maybe by next summer, because this year we're reinvesting into businesses, because we know we're watching Gary Vee and trying to be a proper year for us. We're going to probably get one of these, probably a smash one, and maybe rebuild it to see how everything goes. But we'll see how this is. And then we got this little guy. I don't really like these Alfa Romeos. Not really my cup of tea to say, but yeah, guys. And then we got this big body AMG. That's SLS, man. This guy is a beautiful, beautiful timeless roadster. Anytime AMG gets together and makes a wicked car like such as this, and the SLS and SLR are two of the most beautiful cars on mankind. And with that being said, guys, you guys got to see that these cars are slowly jumping up in value. Like, look at the car. The design on it is insane. Look at the size of the hood compared to this car. Is even longer than this bad boy here. This has a V12 in it. So it's a crazy car to drive in. And it's kind of hard when you think a little, like, look, like if you guys take a, I got to do research. I don't know how long in the front end. It's probably at least 10 to 15, I don't even know, 10 to 15 feet from the actual steering wheel of the length of the hood to the steering, which is pretty crazy, guys. And then we got this blacked out Wraith. Oof, this one's wicked too. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? A blacked out one or the white one?
Easy.
Yeah, yeah. That was an old.
Yeah.
That was.
I want to be a Russian mobster, right?
Oh. Indulgent, here you go, buddy.
Yeah, no, that's my favorite right there.
Yeah.
I love this bike. I was telling him earlier. The black wheels, the carbon, the right amount of carbon color, as well as the color. What color is this? I don't know what the.
I think it's a chalk gray. I think it's called
chalk gray.
Chalk gray.
Like the Porsche chalk gray. I don't know. I'm not sure.
I'm not too sure. It's
a dope ass bike. I really do love this one.
Yeah, it's a very nice.
Like, yeah.
I forgot the name of it, man. I used to know the name of this color. Of course.
Sorry, Amy.
Yeah, he needs to get a new car, bro. He needs to stop buying plow trucks and buy a new car, because it's been such a long time since he bought a new car. But yeah, guys, there's some stuff in the front there I can't show you. But if you guys want to check out the dealership and you happen to stop by and you want to see these beautiful cars, you should definitely stop by. Marinity Motors is located in Woodbridge, Ontario. I don't have the exact address, but we're gonna put our Instagram maybe up here if I remember, or it's gonna be definitely in the caption below. But these guys have a lot of different variation of cars, some sick ass cars, some just regular cars like that bad boy over there, and this is R8 too. Sorry to say that because everybody's gonna have R8 sooner or later, because these cars are dropping reasonably down in pricing. But some cars you get to see also, if you're lucky, you get to see that 993, you get to see that red Carrera GT, that black Carrera GT, and 1 in 25 carbon edition 675 LTs. So guys, we're upstairs and we're gonna find out what our favorite 3 cars of the 17 freaking car garage right now. Well, the dealership. And we're gonna go with Indulgent first, because this guy always, you know,
Has a fun option here.
of course, I love your selection. So what's your selection, Mr. Indulgent?
My selection is Carrera GT.
Yeah,
black one,
okay, the black one, yes.
and it has carbon fiber everywhere. You guys
Oh,
can see it, but
yeah.
it has carbon fiber everywhere.
Of course, the old school carbon fiber.
Suzuki Gray R8. the new
Yes, right here.
one, my fun car, and the Rolls-Royce Wraith.
This one right here.
This is the newer one,
Sick.
so it has a starlight.
Boom,
So,
boom, boom.
thank you.
Alex, what about yourself, my brother? Watch out, Indulgent.
For me, the Carbon Series 675 LT,
Yes,
the black Carrera GT,
yes.
and the black Rolls-Royce, because I love those.
You guys are going to be fighting over these 2 cars over here. For me, it's going to be very, very simple. We're going with the yellow 993, the red GT. Also, we're going to go for the 911R, because I'm a huge Porsche fan. I really, really like it. But now, it's time for you guys to decide what are your top 3 cars you're going to pick up for this Wicked Garage here. You guys need to pick your 3 and comment below, and we're going to comment with you guys and tell you guys what car is sick and, you know, whatever it is. But anyways, guys, today's a great day. Thank you guys for joining us. We're gonna do more of this content. We're slowly getting more into it, more into the grind, more into the hustle. So if you guys want to see more, just like, subscribe, tell us what you guys want to see, because Toronto has a crazy car scene, and we're about to show it to you guys one way or another. Have a great day, guys. Peace.